Hi, I'm Tyler with Inspired Flight, and today we're going to be going through the pre-flight checklist for the IF750. This is just our recommended checklist, so be sure to follow your organization's checklists and procedures. First, be sure that all four arms are lifted and secured into place. The GPS mast is lifted and latched on both sides. The propellers are mounted in the proper locations and are secured tightly. You can check this by making sure the screw heads are all fairly flush with each other. Next, check that the propellers rotate freely. The antennas are plugged into the top of the hand controller and screwed down tightly. The batteries are plugged fully into the aircraft, and the balance plugs are free from the line of the props. The aircraft battery level shown in Q ground control is above 50%. The ground station battery is above 50% charge. The hand controller or ground control station is connected to the aircraft. The GPS LED indicator is fading between green and blue. At least 10 satellites are shown in Q ground control. The heading and altitude of the aircraft matches the heading and altitude shown in Q ground control. You can rotate and tilt the aircraft to be sure of this. Position flight mode is indicated in Q ground control. And last, the launch area is secure and personnel are positioned at a safe distance from the aircraft. Now that we've completed the pre-flight checklist, we're ready to take off. So to arm the vehicle, bring the left stick down into the center and the motors will spin up. We'll cover takeoff and landing in more detail in another video. Thanks for watching.